The page builder will come with a few templated pages you can utilize at any time. These pages are commonly used across all sites, like the home page, contact, about, and policies. Of course, you can create custom pages as well as delete these templated pages if you don't plan on using them. In this tutorial, we will review the templated pages and discuss how you can edit these templates. The home page is the first, and this will also be the only page that cannot be deleted. This will also be the only page that has limited options in the page settings module. The only setting you can edit is the meta description, or if you'd like to show the home page in the navigation bar. By default, the home page will have three preset elements: shop by category, new arrivals, and featured products. The underlined color is the primary color that you set up in the design section. And although the page will show content will be populated automatically, on the home page you will see how the categories, new arrivals, and featured products will be displayed. The category section will display all parent categories in a grid. Featured products and new arrivals will show the primary product photo, or the first photo uploaded to the item. Each of these sections will highlight 8 featured items or the last 8 items uploaded. You can edit the title of these sections to better customize the layout of your store. You can highlight any of these sections to either rearrange them on the page or to remove a section. Some stores like to keep as much info above the fold as possible, so they may remove the category grid. Also, when we say above the fold, we are referring to all content that is shown on the screen before scrolling down the page. You can highlight the title and change the font to better suit your web store layout, or even change the titles. Stores may choose to change the featured products title to employee favorites or featured vendor products. Next is the contact page. By default, this page will allow you to attach a Google map of your location, as well as add in your store address and business hours. Just like the home page, you can edit the text size, color, or font. You can also add a Google map so customers can easily find your location and get directions. If you click the map on the contact page, you will see that the Style Manager opens in the right-hand column, and you will see new fields for address, map type, and zoom. Type in your store address into the address field. Then you can choose the map type. Road map will show by default, but you also can choose the satellite view. You can choose the default zoom level for the map. In fact, even choosing satellite and increasing the zoom will show a photo of your city. So play around with these settings to see what works best for you. The policies page will be filled with boilerplate policies on returns, privacy, terms and conditions, and shipping and handling. If you choose to display this page, you will want to replace the Insert Company Name here with your store name, as well as edit or remove any content that does not reflect your store's policies or terms. When you click on any section, the Style Manager will open. Here you can make changes to the font, size, color, and text align. The About Us has a very simple layout, showing a photo with an open text field. This is also the 2-column image left element. If you double-click the photo, you will bring up the photo uploader so you can replace the default photo. You also can adjust the size of the photo by clicking and dragging the photo. You will also see that the Style Manager will open the Settings section, and there will be a field called Alt Text. Alt Text is a tool used by browsers to help with search engine optimization. So make sure to give all of your photos a simple title, like brown couch, red shirt, whatever it might be. Best practice here is to show a shot of your storefront, owners, or employees. Many stores may want to display more information, either by showing an additional photo or go into more description about their business. Many stores will commonly add an additional 2-column left or 2-column right to display more information. You can start out by exploring these templates and know that if you do make a mistake or error, you can use the undo button to reverse any changes that you've made to the page. When you're ready to set the page live, you can click Save, to host this page on your site. Of course, if you would like to save the page and continue making edits, you can use the additional toggle buttons in the settings section to make sure that your customers coming to your site do not see the page until you're ready to make it visible.